that you were not sure about doing the course and you just wanted to pursue something in the creative field and you did this course. Am I right? And now you want to learn,
Yes, you are completely right.
and now you are confused or you don't understand that what to do next.
Yeah, that is sure that I won't switch my job unless I get very
No,
from this field.
one thing, Anuradha ji, I wanted to tell you that it is a creative field, and if you are doing some job, then don't think of switching your job. So nowadays, as I told you in the WhatsApp message also, see, you are a writer, one thing, and you need to have so many scripts before you approach some people. And now we have facility of approaching through mailings, through WhatsApp messages. So you have to keep approaching people, but it's not only for you also, it's for me also, for everyone also, that writers should write, I mean, but they should have a source of revenue. I mean, most of us, we have our own source of revenues. Like Gopi is here, he's also into writing and he's doing software engineering job. Trinad has already, who has come, he has already written a movie, his movie has been released, but he is also into other job. I am also having my own business. So it's better that you stay with your job, but keep writing if you want to pursue. But it is a long journey. It might not produce any fruit to you. And but nowadays things are changing. So maybe for you, like if you start tying up with your local artists, like people near your area who are doing some fictional work, like 5 minutes episode or 10 minutes episode for YouTube. There are a lot of youngsters who are YouTubers and they need stories. So maybe if you can collaborate with them, and then your work will appear. If your work gets success, your name will become more visible to the people. You can also speak with more confidence, and with that you can approach other people also. But don't think of switching the job at this, like when you are into such field.
Sorry, excuse me.
Pardon?
Yeah, Gopi sir. Especially we want to try in media.
Yeah.
People are what they are trying. They are creating on YouTube channel. They are making on script. They are writing one style. They
Okay.
are making one team. At least minimum 5-6 members.
Okay.
They are continuously they are doing scripting. That's going to be followed to the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
That's going to be they are writing one language. Every week they are releasing continuous scripting.
Yes. Actually, you have to make a group.
The group, they always now they are getting success.
Yeah, because revenue is very good actually. But only problem with with YouTube is that your channel might be. See, there are problems I have discussed. So, but still, I mean, that is a platform to show the work. Like there was no platform.
But yes,
Yeah.
in Tamil industry, the popular channels are earning minimum 5 to 10 lakhs.
Yeah,
The group of work.
but yeah. So as a writer, it is better to.
That only they are getting opportunity in film industry.
Yeah. Yes. As a writer,
That is the way only to enter.
yeah.
That is one of the way to enter. That is
Yeah.
not only way, that is one of the way to enter the industry.
Yes, one of the way for people who are not close to the actual industrial hub, those who are not in Mumbai or not in Chennai. What about those people? And
That trouble is tough.
yeah, so today's class is an open class. We will discuss more things. So Trinad has come and I asked him to that we will talk about. And Anuradha ji, would you like to ask something else? I mean,
So right now I don't have any question because
okay, if you have any query, please you can ask me now or anytime. You can send me on WhatsApp, but keep writing. That is more important. Yeah, and we are going to organize a Hindi script writing workshop with Ashish Dubey. Actually, he got vaccinated yesterday, day before yesterday. He lives in Mumbai, and after vaccination, he got little bit like fever, little fever. He has. Today I talked to him. He told me this thing, and he said, "Okay, I am recovering because mild fever is related to the vaccination. So hopefully he will recover, and I wish him a quick recovery." So those who wanted to join this, these are very cheap workshops. They are not very expensive. So they are in the Hindi medium language. And apart from that, I told you that I am also collaborating with an organization whose name is Cine Darbar. And if you can go to Facebook, you can find page of Cine Darbar. They are very old into the business, and they are into so many cultural activities and media related activities. And they are organizer of the biggest comic festival in India. They are organizer of biggest, largest, I would say, largest Korean, I think Korean or Taiwanese cultural festival in India, and they are also into making documentary films, and they are planning to make a workshop with me on various genres. They will be charged, but it's okay. If anyone of you who are watching there on YouTube also can connect to me, and you can call me on +91 852 7533 051. So Trinad is with us. So I want to Trinad to to share your story as a writer. You were into the and if possible, Trinad, do you have any extra camera?
Yeah, my voice is audible, right?
Yeah, your voice is audible. So yeah,
Actually, yeah, the cam is it's not good actually.
okay. Anyway, so we will continue with the voice only, and I will put your photo if you want. So please,
Sure.
I will turn off the AC so that the voice recording will be clear. So please tell us about your journey from being into script writing, like being from like software writing, software
Field and
field,
yeah,
and yeah, to shift to the script writer, and successfully you have made one. You have written one script which has been made into a movie, and it is a international and bilingual movie. I mean, so
yes, you're right.
so please start.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks, Nikhil. My name is Trinad. Almost 6 years, 5 to 6 years, I have been in the rigorously trying. I have been working with the software industry for almost 10 years. So prior to this, I was doing like kind of short films, writing, and I was like completely not sure where to write and whom to write. First of all, it's not that I want to become a writer, but everyone wants to become a director, I feel.
Hmm.
So even I thought of a similar way. I was just learning the technique and all, like how to write and all, and how to direct the movies. I thought of going into an assistant director or kind of things, but because of my job, I cannot leave my job, and I cannot go there because of family situations. So see, I guess most of the people might having similar kind of situation.
So
So
you have kids.
yeah. Yeah, I got married 2 years back, and
Okay.
I have a kid.
Okay.
He's 5 months old.
Okay.
So
So okay, you had like responsibilities. You know, you have
yeah,
more
prior,
responsibilities.
prior to my marriage also,
Yeah.
like I had all the responsibilities in my
Okay.
family.
Okay.
My father expired, so few
Okay.
things made me like I had to stick to the job. So there is no other go. I can leave the job and try in the industry, because everyone knows that there are chances of getting into success would be very less.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a common thing. So which I tried it. I have done few short films, with the friends, with the colleagues. Actually, I tried to I used to say that like stories and all to them. It was like a very very initial days.
So you were sending to the stories to the friends, and they were into
Yes,
films, or they were from outside movies.
from my office colleagues.
Okay, you were just sending to your colleagues. They were not into films.
No, I was just discussing, not sending
Okay.
sending the stories, but I was discussing.
Okay.
See, normally every writer must be
You
having.
are taking their feedbacks on their stories.
Yes.
As
Every
an
good writer
audience,
would
how
be
audience
having.
will react to
Yeah,
your
how
stories.
it is.
Okay.
Because a few people like who watch movies,
Okay.
like movie buffers or like people who criticize
So when
or
you
something
like
review kind
how
of.
how did you started like you started like did you opted to go to some course for formal studies or self study? How you started? What was the
Yeah,
initial
it was
way?
a
Because it's a
it was a
professional
self
work.
study. Yes, it's a self study only.
Okay.
I've studied in like kind of Save the Cat book.
Okay.
I read a Sitfield screenplay first.
So you ordered
Then
these books on Amazon? How did you get these books?
no, I downloaded it in the online.
Okay. You got the online
Yeah.
copies. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
One book I ordered it,
Okay.
which is Save the Cat.
Okay.
But it's almost like 4 years back, I guess, which I
Okay.
ordered it.
Okay.
But the rest of the books, Joseph Campbell, A Hero with Thousand Faces.
Mm-hmm.
So these three books, uh, you know, and moreover, in the like after some time, like when the YouTube is like data or YouTube, it's going like almost 3-4 years when we are having all the resources available. So I used to go with the Studio Binder website.
Okay.
Even now also I'll go with the Studio Binder website.
Okay. Is it a free like or you have to join, subscribe?
No, it's just a free thing, free of
Okay.
cost.
Film
Studio
Courage.
Binder,
Film Courage is a one YouTube channel
Film Courage, yes,
which
it's
is like
YouTube
only
channel.
160 rupee per month, and they have very good like videos by very good experts. So any one of you who are watching, they can go to Film Courage. I have no connection with them, but I have watched their videos. Not all are very good, but some of them were brilliant. Like
Yes,
yeah.
got it. So that's
Okay.
how online videos and watching all the interviews. First of all, like interviews means in Telugu industry, because I was not sure that I'll be going and writing a movie which is in China or Hong Kong, I can say. We didn't know that, right? In an
Yeah.
initial part. So I was studying in all the. I took it as a study part because I came to know that in order to do a job, for example, in a software or any other job, we need to study something or we need to learn the skills.
Yes.
So I came to know that we need to study. I believe on that first of all. Even still till now, I'll keep working on that to improve my skills because it's a never-ending process. Filmmaking is. It's not that there is no formula for that. Because if we know the formula, everyone will become a filmmaker and
Right,
they'll make
right.
a very successful movies, right? So I studied these books, and after that I came to know, I understood something, and because of the friends and because of these interviews, I came to know what is the exactly the filmmaking and all. So
Okay.
then after that, I was doing some short films.
Okay. So how okay, you directed short movies or just written the short movies?
I directed 1-2 short films.
Okay.
Actually.
And
But it was a difficult problem for me to go with the production. Like, money I'm talking about.
okay.
It was very difficult for me to pull the money. So
Money
those
is
days
always
it was
difficult actually. That is like extra you have to spend on your from your pocket actually.
Yes. So these things happened in my
But
initial days. Then
but
after that, I
how much
slowly.
like when you started
Yeah.
getting the knowledge through books through internet, after that how much time you took to complete your first proper script?
First proper script. It took
How much
almost
time?
1 year. 1 year.
So
It
you
took 1
studied
year.
for 1 year? You did your
Yeah, I
research?
studied for 1 year. Yeah,
And
research and all.
how much time you took to start like penning down from idea to the last pages of your script? How much time you took? The actual time of
I
the
can.
from developing from idea to script.
Yeah,
Your first
it
script.
took. My first script took almost 3 months.
Okay. That's
3
fine.
months.
I mean that's fine. Like it's okay for the being I wrote my even after film school I wrote my first original. After adaptation it took 5 months. But
Okay.
so the script which you wrote first, so that
Yeah.
script has been made into movie or some other script?
No, no, that is the other script. And
Okay.
the script which I made it, I narrated to few people,
Okay. So
and
what?
few
But
were saying it's
what
good.
happened after you completed your first script, and that was a spec script you wrote? And then what happened after that? Like,
Yeah, what happened after that is like, um, see, the one challenge in front of me was like I cannot leave my job and I cannot go with the direction team also. So the main thing I focused on, I want to become a writer. Then that day I thought of myself like, yeah, I should go as a writer first.
okay.
Let's see if everything comes or if everything goes well,
Okay. So at that
definitely
first you decided that I will go with only writing, not
only
go into
writing.
direction. Okay.
Yeah, not to touch any direction part,
Okay.
because that's that I cannot do that because I don't have time for that. So then I decided,
Hmm.
I mean, yeah, I decided
Then
that's
how
not
this
bad.
turning point happened? Like writing your first script within the 1 year, 3 months time to the script which has been made into a movie. How much time it took?
Actually, uh,
Sir, here I
yeah,
have one doubt, sir.
yeah,
Yeah,
but
please.
Malayalam industry separate writer, separate script writer and all. But Tamil industry, no writer. Director is a writer, director is a script writer.
yeah,
Telugu also same, I think. Then our writer, how will survive?
yeah, that's what. That is also challenging thing. That's a really good question, Gopi. Even I tried with most of the directors who were successful in last 3-4 years, because they were writing themselves and they don't want a writer kind of thing. But slowly they are coming into another phase where they're getting, you know, they have come to know that it's not one brain would be working. We need at least another brain,
See,
at
I
least
tell
for the
you, Gopi,
dialogues.
I want to add
Yeah,
something to you. See, if you look at not only in the Tamil or Telugu industry, if you look at Hollywood also, and if you look at Bollywood also, or many industries, see, writer is actually, this distinction has become very formalized with more commercial work. But generally, director brings the idea, and importance of writing is too much into the, like, see, even if this is the problem with not only Tamil or Telugu, I mean, but you have to know the basic writing. I mean, if you want to become, I'm telling you, if you want to become even producer, for a producer is someone who should know the knowledge of all the departments, and director should also know the knowledge of all the department, and producer's responsibility is more. But see, movie making is a business, it is a risk, and the most important thing is the script. But generally, directors are also writers, so they bring their own writings, and it gives very lesser chance to the other people. But don't just think about the movies, also think about the television and web series. So it's not that only movies, you can work very good with television, and you can also make very good money with television, and now with the web series. But being into a film, being you are, even if that is why this our session is very important. For, see, people are not watching many videos on YouTube I am putting, but I am telling you the information which I am giving, the things which we are discussing. I mean, their first time they have come, like, and you see, so far 2019 videos have been 1 hour, 1 hour length, 19 video. I mean, this is the information which is going in the last 20 days. It is on air. People, problem with the people is also there. It's not that all people who say I am a writer, I can write, and their thing is, I tell you one thing, I mean, I will say something. Don't mind it, anyone who is watching. But in when I went to register my script, like in year 2008 or 9, some in film right, that was at that time the name of was like Film Writers Association. Now it is Screenwriter Association. Its office is at Andheri in Mumbai. So at that time, lot of people used to come, as brother of very big star was also came there to register. And I had this thing that I was too much into studies and good experience of life somehow, and I used to watch those people who used to come there, and I always wonder that what could they write. I mean, and then I had this, but they all were writers. I was wondering, I mean, looking at them, that what could they have written like, and I worked with many people who were also from film school, who were not from film schools. Some were professional writers, already writers, but somehow I found that, see, it's easy to say I'm a writer. It's easy to finish 1000 pages in the writing, but the content has to be like, and you have to understand also the aesthetics, not only aesthetics but also the production part and direction part. So like, you have to team up with the director, even if the idea is his idea. So you have to team up with the director, but also look into the television and web series. So don't get discouraged that movies are, see, movies movies are only made by the like, only written by the directors. If you look at the movies of Alfred Hitchcock, many of his movies are based on novels. And someone told me, I mean, I think in my film school, or I saw some documentary, that they used to, like, the team of Hitchcock, they used to keep eye on the writers, so that which writer is writing a new novel, suspense writer, and soon the novel is published, they send their agent to the writer. So, but you, as a writer, you have to come out also. It's not that I am a writer, I have written. That thing needs to be, you have to understand that what you have written, and that's why I have said this thing, that watch a lot. Now, you, some of like Jayesh liked the movie Rat Sasan, and this movie might be it. Ranjit also liked this movie. You have also seen. When I watched it, it was like, for me, it was not that much good, or because I am into watching so many things. So as a writer also, you have to watch, you have to learn a lot. Look at the movies, like, it's not that, even if they are not bringing a good writer, it's their fault, and it's their like, disadvantage, their loss. So it's not that, but writing has always been there, and but this is, media is something else. This is not only the writer's medium. That is why these classes are there, because it is not something which you can write like a novel or like a story. So you have to understand. That is why, like, I'm asking Trinath to share his experience. I have also called many people, they can't come because of timing or some other problem. So you have to understand direction also, cinematic, cinematography also, the role of sound also, role of actors also. Only then you can become a writer. So it's easy to say I'm a writer, but to write something and to write good, that is very challengeable. And particularly, I'm not talking about novel or story, but particularly about script writing, and now web series writing is much challengeable than the movie writing, and it has totally different genre. That's why I'm taking so long time to do the web series writing. As I said, it's also my learning also, and your and learning also, and it's not easy. I mean, when you write,
Yeah,
to bring the new
you're
things,
right.
it's not easy actually. So it's not easy, and not all of the people are putting so much time. You look at our classes, 20 days continuous, 1 hour. How many people have come? Every day I post, every day I post, every day I make new advertisements, and it's free. They have to just spend 1 hour time. Four people are today, four people were yesterday. After my posting, I got 67 contact people contacted me. Out of them, 5 or 10 were Hindi speaking, so they couldn't. But at least 60 people are there. I have saved their number. But how many people are coming?
True, true.
This is the problem.
Actually,
People
yeah,
say I am so and so, but I asked for the synopsis. Those who are coming, how many people have sent me synopsis? 5 pages treatment I haven't got. Even 2 pages I haven't got. I said don't send me dialogues. Someone sent me dialogues. This is the thing, you have to understand the working of a particular setup. So I am telling you that it's easy to say I am so and so, but as a script writer, it's very difficult. I mean, and I am telling you, even because I am into publication also, still you can easily write a script than a book. I mean, book is like too much burden. You have to go to 5 or 6 proofreadings for a book. But with script writing, you can learn, and if you get hits, you get a hit movie or some web series, then it's a very good career. But people don't want to. Actually, nowadays there's another problem that everyone wants to be on technology savvy, but they don't spend time. I mean, this is the problem. When I thought of going to the movies, I was in Delhi at that time. I used to go to people. Bhaiya, I was in 10th standard. It was year 94, I think. So I used to go to my elder people who have worked in Mumbai or who had some connection. So bhaiya, tell me, Didi, tell me about this, tell me about that. Till I went to college, so I soon started. I went to National School of Drama to learn, because National School of Drama I had access to. It was near my home. And then I realized that you have to do limit, like you have to provide 10 theater and you have to do your graduation. But I was in 10th standard. So I decided, okay, so soon after, I tell you one thing, after we had 5 subjects, and I had mechanical engineering in my 12th standard. I was having science, and there was a 10 days gap between my fourth exam of 12th standard and mechanical engineering. And I decided that I will go to films. Soon I finished my fourth exam. Next day I went to National School of Drama's premise, and there was a gentleman. He has passed away, Mr. Yasin Khan. His wife is running this group. Its name is Hindu Art Theatre and Film Society. And I joined that group before my final exam. So that much passion I had, and people had lot of passion at that time. But nowadays people think, oh, okay, we will go and watch and it's okay. But even if you watch and learn, you have to be in the work. Okay, let's come to Trinath. So Trinath, yeah, please tell me that how it was like from your finishing your first script to turning point that your script made into a movie. Like, please.
Actually, my script, I still have that script, my first script. See, I can say that the Gopi's question also, I mean, that answer also, I'll say that in a other way. Here, I mean, in Telugu industry, because I don't know about other industries, but in Telugu industry, what I have observed is, they won't take my story. For example, normally what I feel is, if I'm a writer, I thought that, okay, I have written one story, I have 5-6 stories, for example, so I can narrate 1 or 2 stories. If you're okay with it, we'll go further. That is how I think when I step into this industry. But actually it's other way. Here it's working, because they don't listen your story until you are a very good writer or where you get a name. First of all, they won't listen, because everyone got their own stories to do that. But that guy, the person, there are 2 things here. Even if I give a story, maybe for example, if you are a director, he may not be confident about my subject. That is also there, because he may not direct, because he is not a professional director. Professional means he is not in this profession for a long time. So he is also new to the industry, right? Because all new directors are coming, new stories are coming. So they are comfortable enough there with their own script, but they don't have a complete script. They might be having an idea, or they might be having a synopsis kind of thing, or they might be having a 3-4 pages of story, I mean outline of the story, but we want to execute, complete it with a complete script writing. So then they need a help of another person. Then they are looking for another person who is a writer. The same thing happened with me with this even Hong Kong movie also, because the story is the basic story, like a 3-4 pages of story, is the director's story actually. So after that, we put the story, outline of the story, what he wants and how to narrate that story in his perspective. Then I will be working on that, how to set up scenes and all, like how to develop the story first of all. The similar way we worked it. So normally most of the screenwriters, or I mean, who want to become writers, there would be two challenges I feel. One would be the very first thing. If I'm writing in Facebook, I write quotes and quotations or whatever it is. I feel that I'm a writer, but some or the other day I must feel that whether I'm really a writer or not. Because I mean, am I worthful or not? Am I going in the right path or not? Because you must be going into production companies, you must be pitching into directors, or you must be narrating into heroes or protagonists or whatever you call it, so-called people, whatever the contacts you have, whatever the accessibility you have, you must be pitching them. Maybe it's not that your story is bad, they will say that no to that, or they won't directly say that no, it won't work out most of the times, because it's not necessary that always story is bad. But we feel, because we, in the sense, as a new writers, normally we feel that okay, my story is not good. Maybe that is the reason they are rejecting it, or they are not showing the interest.
Yeah, actually, see one thing, that you also understand one thing, that apart from creativity, this medium is also business. And I have seen
Yes.
that many people who are not even from film background, but
Sir,
when they,
one more thing.
yeah, Gopi, please.
Actually, director Manidharan is not a writer. He always used to get some writer or novel or whatever is Mahabharata, Ramayana, some basic story. He used to write with someone. He put a name.
Yeah, okay. There are many people actually, not only that, many people actually they refer. Yes, they refer. The basic structure. They have a basic structure, and they know what to do and how to do. So they will be going into one script writer. Even if you take Shankar also, in Tamil Shankar, he had almost Sujata is one of the person's name writer.
After he passed away, he used to Suresh Balaji, Subha.
Yes,
Writer name is Subha.
You're right. So maybe normal people may not know that, because normal people would be looking at.
And there are also ghost writers.
They started. See, those
The
days.
famous directors are using writer only.
Those days they started with the ghost writer. Then after they have come to in the writing, completely writing, but still their names are coming also after that. Nowadays, I mean, it's because of the director's name. We can't say that like his name is very popular as a director. Shankar, India knows that, so that is the reason. Obviously,
Shankar is popular. Shankar is popular.
Here I may have one doubt on this. There is a percentage basis they will work on, some budget with 10%, 5% like that. How they will salary, they will do amount.
Yeah, here it depends on production company to company. I mean, production company means they will tie up with, normally directors tie up with the production company, because they'll be signing almost 3-4 movies. If they are like if they have made one hit film, if it is a very first film, so they are also doing it with the production company. Like they don't know if that is the case. They can give you like this much I can give you. For example, if they will give you very less amount. For example,
I had 1 lakh, something like that. 1 lakh.
Yes. Yeah, it's 1 lakh is, I feel it's really good. Because if it is seriously, if it is a 3 crores project, they may give you 50,000. They can say that because.
I heard about screenwriter, writers, they are giving 15%, 1/5. I don't know.
Yeah, because it depends on the the company or the production company or a director. It depends on all these things. It's not actually only I can feel that okay, I'm a writer, they should hire me with 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. It's not possible, because it actually depends on what you're writing and what is your contribution. They will also check that whether you are really contributed in the story or not. Because if I'm just going and sitting with him for the story sittings, normally we will be having story sittings, kind of brainstorming sessions, we call it. So those days also, if your contribution is there, then only they'll consider you, key person. Otherwise, you are just like a kind of they will treat you like a just friend kind of person. Normally we get our friends, right? So that's how it is. So the main thing is here we cannot predict success, and we cannot predict money also, and we cannot predict name also sometimes, as Nikhil by saying that ghostwriters. Yeah, we have many people still they are working as a ghostwriter, because it's not that they cannot write, but the thing is their situations. Maybe they are new to the industry, they don't know anything about it, or they must be getting money at least. That's the reason they are doing it a ghostwriter. So there are a lot of things in a filmmaking when it comes to only
But
writing.
it is also true that, see, in films, not only with the writers, it's with all the professionals, whether you are an actor or a director also. If your film makes the success, then people will definitely come to you and try to pay you more. That is also true. I knew about
that
a
is also
writer
there.
in 2007 or 8. He had one or two hits, and he was he was asking for enormous, like, he was asking for 70 lakh rupee for one movie, and one guy was offering him, and he was his friend. He was offering him 35 or 40 lakh rupee, but he refused to write for him because he said, now I have made money, so it's a time to make money. So that is also true.
True.
Yeah.
That is there with every
All the
technician,
industries,
or we
all
can
the
say
industries,
actors,
with
the person
everyone.
only, because
So
the
you have
industry
to
filmmaking.
see. So that is why I said, no,
In the
that you have to
filmmaking
make
process.
your, you have to work hard, and you have to, I mean, you have to bring things, like, you have to not only, like, a writer has to be first thing. I think a writer has to be someone, like, who is very, who should be close to the people who are into the films, and then when you are, see, I tell you from my own experience, I am close to so many people, but I know what they are good into and what they are not. So likewise, when you are also working with films, you are in the films with the people, you know who is who. Yeah, of
Yeah,
course
you
there are
got to know.
people who, because of ego, they don't want to give you credit, but then I said in the initial episodes, don't depend on money as a writer. Take it as a business investment. Do your business, do your job. This is your investment. First thing, to all writers who are watching there on YouTube, or who are present here, take it as an investment. Never take it as a job opportunity. Never take it as an, like, something that you can go with it.
You're right.
Have
That's what I
something,
was
yeah,
saying.
and then
Yeah.
also then write and approach people. Write and approach people. And it's, see, I am telling you, it's not only with the writers. If you look at the data of the advertising, so when this email started, they had to bombard the emails, and Gopi and Trinath were already from software line, so you know how much
Yeah.
advertisement has been made to get few customers, and it's not easy. I told you, this thing.
True.
For last 20 days, I am giving advertisement. It's a free thing. I am giving advertisement. How many are present now? 5 are present. How many people have watched? When I go and watch the YouTube videos, one video is not watched more than 100 people, and the average duration of each video, which is a almost 1 hour long, is each video, but the average duration of all the videos is 3 or 4 minutes. So people don't even learn. So
Yeah, first of all, yeah,
yeah,
this
so
is the one of the best point,
it
Nikhil.
I told you
The thing
one,
is,
yeah, one more thing, that when this, there was a website by the name Mandy.com. When we were in film school, it was new website. Now they charge. At that time they were free, like many of the options were free. So at that time when I was making my movie, and I made 3 movies, one documentary, one short film, one feature film. Then I co-directed with my friend, and we made 3 short films together, and some, like, lot of work I was doing. So I was posting advertisement for actors, editors on that website. But the resume I was getting at that time were of only those people who were technology savvy, did something. I mean, you talk to them, they had no clue about anything. So it's really also difficult to find good people in the work actually. Any work, not only films, any work.
Anyone, you're
So
right.
Trinath, please you tell me more about from your turning point that how you got this.
Yeah,
Just
actually, see, that's what, as I've told you, these three things like you should not expect money, and you should not expect name, and you should not expect anything out of it. Like, um, maybe if you want to become a, you know, and should not expect that, yes, I'm a writer, why should I do this and why should I do that? You should be open to anything because cinema is the cinema. If someone asks me like Nikhil, why do something for his movie or something, I'll go and write it. See, it's not that you should be open for everything. And and one more thing, one thing I have observed for the new writers or like new people along with me, I'm just considering myself as a new also. So one thing is they don't want to learn, as he said, as what he's saying, that they don't want to learn first of all because whatever they'll write something or one or two short movies they'll make, or maybe they'll make a 10 short movies, they'll feel that yeah, I know everything about filmmaking and I know everything about the writing. So they feel that. See, having a confidence is nothing wrong in that, but having a overconfidence that makes you definitely putting into trouble because if you have a overconfidence that you are definitely yeah, I'm a writer means definitely you will expect something, credit or money. So don't expect anything. First of all, do your something. You if you have a job, do it. Along with that, just try it. Invest time. What he said is the similar way. Just invest time. Because I have almost invested 3 to 4 years of this. Then I came to know that, and I believe now also you should learn first. If you want to do a software job also, you should learn because you cannot do that all of a suddenly they will give you a laptop and they will give you a 50,000 salary. You cannot do that. I mean, that's not possible. That's not possible in any
and
field.
and
Not only
I know that
writing.
in the normal job sector also there's a lot of
Yeah,
hard work. I mean for
yeah. They'll be giving a very small amount, but still they're working very hard. So the thing is here, you need to work hard to get the knowledge first. Then you can do something. Then you need to try it. It's like keep trying because and if you see other end also I'm not demotivating you guys. I'm just motivating you. The thing is, if you don't expect you will be relaxed and you will be working hard and you will be in your way because if you are expecting something, definitely you feel bad about your work and most of the people will give up this writing field or movie field only because the main thing is they'll be working for 1 or 2 years. They'll be thinking that I should get like 50 lakhs, 30 lakhs of as a writer, but obviously they won't get it.
and
They feel like
yeah,
this is the blame.
some
They'll blame on the
yeah.
industry.
I
Yeah,
always felt something like this, like even in my life also there were some things like I would say that I was on a boat. Suppose I am on a boat. I have crossed the river, and my boat is just going to reach the another bank, but I left my journey and I came back. This happens once you start once you start your journey. Sometimes your shore is very near, and then you lose your hope. So I also felt this thing, and like, so whatever you do, have faith in yourself and pray to the God. Have like pray to your God and destiny. I believe in destiny only when you work hard. Then definitely the destiny works for you. But only for that you have to work very hard.
yes, yes. Yeah, Ranjit asking, he asked the question like, can we expect at least
That we will
credit?
come, but
So
first you tell
because Ranjit, it's
first
not that.
you.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, actually, Ranjit, Trinath is today's Trinath explaining, like telling his journey of a writer, how his film is made, and then he will also answer. I will also answer. So Trinath, just tell me. I'm waiting.
Yeah,
Like many people
yeah,
who will
yeah,
be
yeah.
watching, they are waiting. That what was the turning
Yeah,
point?
yeah.
That yeah.
Turning point was, as I've told you, I was not expecting anything. So I met one guy who is, who already did 3 movies in Telugu. But as I came to know that he's not from here, he's from Hong Kong. So
Okay.
he has done one Telugu movie. The movie name itself is Devi Sri Prasad movie name, and that is in a Prime actually. His 3 movies are in Prime right now. So at that movie, at that point when he completed the shoot and he was in a kind of post-production work, so I met him. It's like one of my friend told me he needs something, a writer or something, but I don't even know that what work he needs.
So you met through common
Therefore,
common
I
friends,
was open to anything.
through some common friend.
Common friends.
Okay.
Like you, Nikhil
Okay.
told me something. Yeah, I have been there. So I said like you have something work with the kind of writing work. But he said it's in the post-production stage, so there is no writing work. Obviously, in post-production stage, what is there a writer to write? So I was like, okay, fine. I just came back. Then after that, he called me and he messaged me in such a way. I need subtitles for this in English. So can you make it? So I said like yes. See, something
Okay.
I need to get into that.
Yeah.
See, somewhere definitely we these type of opportunities. It's like I cannot say you should be open to that. That's what I'm definitely can say that, because you should open to this one anything. Okay, I know English. because
Not
I'm
only
into
for the
software
work, but to make a relationship with the people,
relationship,
professionals.
because
Yeah.
how they believe you,
Yeah.
because they have their own tensions, because they have their own things to do.
Yeah. Right.
Everyone is like normally we should not blame the industry. Also, people would be doing with the this guy would be doing with that guy. So because they cannot do or made a practicals or practice with the crores of money, right? They cannot take a chance. See, this is not a 1 or 2 rupees, as Nikhil Bhai is saying that should be looking at in a business perspective also, because that is the main business.
Yeah.
Though you are creating
Many people,
in order to come out.
many people, I would like to advise this thing to all of you. Many people, those who send messages, I have an idea, make a story, brother or sister, where is the money? You have an idea, give us money, we can make a movie.
Yeah, obviously, if you have an idea, it doesn't
Just
work
idea
out,
doesn't
or
mean
if you-
that you can print it into a book or you can make it into a movie.
Yeah. So it does. So he asked me about writing subtitles. I said okay to that. Within us, because I told him that I am working, because mainly I rejected in most of the places because of I'm working, because they asked me for the full time. So I cannot leave it, and I cannot. They're not giving me much salary also, obviously, because I'm very new to that field. So many places I rejected few things. They rejected me in most of the places. Then after that, this guy, I explained him, boss, I'm working. Okay, but it doesn't mean that I'll take an excuse of I'm working, I cannot give you today. If I promise something, I'll see the work. If I promise something, I'll give you within a 1 week of time. I have given him 1 day before only.
Okay.
Complete 6 reels. He has sent me 6 reels.
Okay.
So that 6 reels I have written as subtitles and I have given it to him. So
Okay.
he understood that okay, this guy is that's what I'm trying to find the opportunity, or I want to create it something. So he came to know that he is a very good person. He is doing it
Yeah,
in an
that is so
honest way.
that now he understood your talent, because he already made movies and he was a professional. So if you are not if you are not getting the attention of the people, there is also something lacking in you, and you new writers have to also work on that.
True. So even today also I didn't get any payment for that. To be frank, I just did it for free of cost. He told me after that. He explained me, bro. Actually, some issue happened with he's a director and producer. They had some fight kind of thing. It's a normal thing only. I mean, it's normal in movie industry. So he stays in Hong Kong. So these few things happened, and so somehow he couldn't pay me. I said okay to that. See, that's what I'm saying. Don't expect money and don't expect credits. Don't expect anything. Just do the work, show your honesty, and show that you are talented. Then definitely the opportunity will come. The next opportunity is that the same guy who had an idea
But
as a story.
I would like to add here, which Ranjit has said that he typed this message about the
Yeah,
credit part. I think that's very
yeah, yeah.
important, and I really don't. I hate this thing, ghostwriter kind of concept. Like when someone is writing, you should make that person a co-writer at least. But they are very bad
True.
people within the industry. I mean, disgusting people. I have no bad words for such people who take
True.
the
True.
credits of the writers. Very bad people. I mean, very bad people. And I know few people. I know few people, but
True.
they're really. I
But
mean,
that is not.
it's
See,
really bad.
obviously,
Like they take the ideas from here and there, or they make up their,
they
and then
survive.
they cheat
Yeah.
other
Sir, I
people
want to
and
add one more word, sir, from my end. Actually, people are expecting honest. Second thing, obedient. These
yeah.
two keys are very important.
Yeah, your character. That's what I'm trying to say right now.
That's obedient. Obedient they're expecting.
It's not. See, it's not
Obedience
that
and
you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not that obedient means you no need to raise your voice. It doesn't mean that. But see,
See,
if you
that is
want to
why
work,
you
you
can
can say
protect
that
you.
yes.
See, I
Yeah.
tell you one thing. When I was when I was working, I started working. There was an issue with the movie, very big movie, and big star was there, and the guy was assistant to that director. And when he was assistant in his previous movie, he told this idea to that. But
Okay.
he was member of Screenwriters Association Mumbai. So he in the second movie when the director took his idea, I mean took his script and just changed it a bit and made it into a story, then he came to the script writing association. And there are also good journalists are there, and there are a lot of like papers and these magazines in Mumbai that they publish the story that so and so person has accused this and this director, and then that director at that time he made a settlement. The screenwriter association came in between, because when you are a member of screenwriters association, then they also provide the legal assistance to you. So he gave at that time, to my knowledge, he gave 5 lakh rupee to him, and that was fair enough at that time, like in 2007 or 8. At that time it
Yeah.
was
Seriously,
okay.
that's what.
Yeah.
Credit. That's what I
So
said.
be member
Credit
of
means.
the. That is why guilds are. I mean, I was talking to my friend Satyam Raj, and he is a producer, director, and distributor, and he is having immense experience. His father is having Rishi Raj films, and he is into films for almost 45 years. And he was telling me that he went to American film market a few years back. Yesterday I was talking to him. He told me that to become a director over there, you need to be registered with the America's Director Guild, and the fees they charge is, if you convert it into Indian rupee, that is like 10 lakh rupee, or it was I think 10 or 12,000 dollars US dollars you have to pay. So that huge amount you pay, and in India also to become the member, you have to. India is like we don't have to pay much, but we get the legal. But there are also some organizations in the name of guilds, and so you have to be first see that which is a better guild, which is a better organization. Shiv Sena are having this Kamgar organizations. They are also very helpful when we are working in Mumbai actually. So be part of some, because these people are bad, people are everywhere actually. But
True. True.
also you have to do that. You have to not to jump to very big people, because they only cheat you. Not very
You're
less
right.
chances that people who are equal to you will cheat you. Okay, Trinath, then what happened? So he saw your
Yeah.
work, and then
Yeah. He saw my work, and yeah, he was saying that this is what my idea is. This is what I have a story. Like he sent me like within a 2 to 3 pages of story. Story means like just outline of the what he wants to do that. So it's a fusion
okay,
story,
you tell me
like
one thing.
fusion.
He sent the idea, but when you were telling your when you were, see, I also worked on such things like 2 pages idea, sometimes page like 3 4 pages idea. But you know, when you are writing, there are a lot of gaps between those ideas. So when you were giving your suggestions or writing the script, so like was he
Yeah,
open to your ideas, or he was like, how you deal with that thing?
yeah. He was open to the ideas because
Okay,
I told him. See, the thing is, it was just a win-win agreement kind of thing. See, I was saying something. It doesn't mean that okay. If it is definitely, it's not that. See, as a writer and the person who is in India here, I can say many things. I can imagine many things. But the thing is, he is there in the location, and he's been there for almost 13 years, 14 years. So he knows the possibilities of doing it.
Okay,
If
so
he's
I
open
will
to
I will
one
stop
idea,
here. I will stop here. I'm sorry, the time is getting over. Tomorrow we will come and we will discuss more about Trinath's film,
yeah, sure.
My Indian Boyfriend. That's the name
My
of the
Indian
film.
Boyfriend.
So it is still going in Hong Kong, and it will soon come. And please watch Trinath's movie. And who is the director? Name of the director?
His name is Sri Kishore.
Shri Kishore and Trinath's movie, My Indian Boyfriend.
Then I have one doubt.
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
Last Friday it has released in Hong Kong. How it's
Yes.
collection?
It's actually box office number 1.
We will come to that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will discuss more about commercial part, Gopi,
Yeah.
because this
Sure.
if it will stop us. So
Because
okay,
today 8th day. That's why I'm asking.
okay.
You're right.
Yes, sure.
So see you tomorrow, everyone. Thanks for coming. Thanks, Trinath, for providing or giving us your
Thanks,
valuable
everyone.
information. Yeah. Bye. Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.